Hello, I'm with Thorsteinn Siglaugsson, who's just finished teaching the 6-day logical thinking process course here in Paris. Can you tell us about it?
Yeah, it's a 6-day course where participants bring their own problems and solve them, basically, during 6 days with a weekend in between.
Yeah.
And the great thing about this course is that, well, first of all, it's of course that you come with an ill-defined problem and you go out with a fully defined solution, which is great. But it's also the sort of collegiality that forms among the participants and how they help each other, analyzing, looking from different perspectives at what other people are doing, which greatly enriches the learning experience that they have. And this is something that simply forms without any encouragement from us, anything like that. People just start walking around, assisting their colleagues and so on, and it's of course all in full confidentiality between the participants. So people can trust each other, and they can talk openly about what they're dealing with, which is great, and then they keep learning, of course, about different industries, different subjects from each other along the way. So,
and they learn how universal this
they learn how
systemic stuff
universal
is.
it is. Yeah, absolutely. Whether you're dealing with a corporate problem or a personal issue or whatever, it's you can apply it to anyone.
3/4 of the workshop is in fact those sessions, right? You don't talk that much.
No.
There are a few theoretical presentations or concepts that are presented, but it's a very small part of every day, and most of it is this workshop that's doing it. And it's really very impressive because, as you say, we don't have to force people. They just help each other. It's a collective thing with a lot of camaraderie, and it goes very well. So that's it. If you're interested, it's a 6-day course in Paris on the logical thinking process. Thank you.